we don't come back. You can see some kind of guys who go just a monitor as they put on your pancake and everything. I don't understand. Anyway, when I don't already know the guys who we get for inside the building, but I could just give a small biography on top who him be. Him real name na Justice. Hey, then go kill me for this one now. Emonairere. Nwagbe. And him na stand up. Whether I pronounce that well or not, na his name be that or something like that. Now, stand-up comedian, professional event, compare, MC, OAP, and TV presenter. He finished from theatre arts for Inside Delta State University, Abraka, and he come from a family of 12. In Papa na from Alaja for Inside Delta State, and in Mama, in late Mama na from Abia State. Him na former banker.
Nice one.
And he can enter into TV and comedy things for Inside the Matter. He don't play role for Inside AY Script, where he be the gate man from Warri. Yes, and in they do morning show for one of all these radio stations with in other hosts them. And they do plenty things, including in show where they do some kind times. And in they married to the beautiful Annette. And both of them, unlike the former people where we used for earlier in the show, they are two they live for Inside the Matter.
Okay. You're not serious.
They are Lagos livers.
They are Lagos livers.
Residing.
They don't stay for two different parts of the world.
I tell you, they are together.
Then they're together. So he is not a cheat.
No, it's not a cheat.
It's not a cheat.
So the other one,
he's a nobody.
I'm not talking anything. Ushbebe, how far now?
Alright.
So right now, this thing where I read now the first time where they hear me, I want to ask you why.
The first time.
Yeah, now the first time they hear say.
So you want them to say you never go me before.
Make sure ask you the question first.
You know, go you. I don't go.
You know they work as backup police. So
why you go leave bank and say, okay, you want to make people laugh?
Because I occupy space now for bank.
Not be where you supposed to be.
Not be my calling that now.
So why you enter in the first place?
I don't even know how I enter there. But I just know as I come up from NYC, I just go write one test. I got my mama self. My mama like walk.
You should say you passed that test. I've been a
mistake.
They don't mark out where.
Let me give me. God, no book. Come up play. That be all this one. God, they follow you play for I beat you. You understand? So I passed. So I did there. But which I not pass now the account. I know they feel bring better money. So I know. So they will soon drive me.
So you drive yourself.
And I can't wake early morning, close. Before I reach house, I will sit down with my guys. Every time person go to charge you. I say no.
Half of the salary don't go.
My sister. I just decided I want to tell my guys I'm not doing again, man. I can't. So I just come out, just focus, JJ. I even go to work with myself.
All right. All right, so the way you do the talk, just be like, say, I'll go pass it.
Hey, but that's what they talk out. You know they use strength.
I can't. All right, make I just ask you this question. I don't say your show they come up very soon, this Sunday, but waiting make your show different from every other shows because I guess I don't see where people sit down and they talk say oh these shows that they do for inside the concept everything at the same thing everything at the same thing.
They buy tickets.
Waiting actually make your show they different.
Just because to get people they talk fast and they know they if you ask and say which one you don't go say me like but one different you understand. But actually my show. And if you know me very well, you know that I like to do sketches for, you understand, that skits and all that. And because I like at every time to give people something to just be happy about. My show will not be just a comedy show. I try to educate you for my show. But you go forget what I teach you there. But at least that point, you know, say when you come comedy shows, like the people know they really remember. Now the one we call somebody, and they remember past. And the important way to talk. So I do stage drama too on my show, but I try to be very spontaneous because I know most people now want spontaneity. They just want to do their own, maybe they don't calculate the money go. But I still try, I struggle to spontaneous and make my content they very, very rich. I don't go many shows. Now people they call me say, about this show, your show still be number one. I know they want to look and say, because that's my first show. And the way I plan, because I don't work as an event person with AY for a very long time, so I think I understand what showbiz is, apart from say I study theater art. So I just try to create something very out of the extraordinary. I feel not bring plane come from up, or make person use rope come down. But I just try to do them spontaneously. so that I go enjoy them.
My own.
Okay, we don't come back, even though say no be Ushbebe skits with that one. I be like say producer body the sweet and he like that very
I
much.
know that my guy be I go save now, so if you say
okay, now paddy things. That was 7 day. Okay, Queen Baby want to talk something before we
Yes, I ask because everybody they get name, different name. AY using own name, AY, Ayo, Marco. Why Ushbebe? Why Ushbebe? Because anytime the name alone they make me laugh.
Ushbebe, you know, when I did secondary school, they call me Usher.
Oh, because you do event planning and co.
No, secondary school. To the extent well, for our certificate, when they write name, they say you can write 3 names. When I go, write just this, Noagbe Usher. So now I did my testimonial, my certificates. When I reach out, my father say,
where you can't be Usher?
On I keep it there for Robo. Don't be this. On your Usher. I say and dance.
Okay, you did dance?
Yes, I used to dance when I was in secondary school. So they say, give me that name, Usher. I said, good. So when I go uni, everybody, they call me Usher. Because they don't do my document now. Then for NYC camp, so they won't put me for platoon 10. But all my friends will come together, they platoon 11. So when the man they shout, Usher, platoon 10, I can't do like this. So I show my hand, say 11. So he can say, okay, Ushbebe. So waiting that man talk, everybody started that. Yeah, they come out to call me Ushbebe. So to me, it was more like, okay, keep quiet, listen, and see what I'm trying to tell you. So it just be like, say, okay, baby, Ush. Okay. So that's general.
As long as it's not live for us.
No, true. If the story there everywhere now. So that's now. So if you that's why people will follow me do NYC. If they won't come and say, "Man, can't do their sister wedding," or they say, "Oh, baby, now we know where your name starts." You understand? So now for NYC.
So for that reason, you don't get excuse.
I don't.
Okay, Ushbebe, get what they do on top of our show. They call them talk the talk and do the do. And this one we get new game, and now you I won't use as my skip.
Abiska. Now new game, Fred.
I will ask you 3 questions, and you go tell me the name of the people where you say relates to those 3 questions. Okay. You don't ready? Because don't tell me say you know book where.
Good day. I thought I run come on for this studio.
You got to blow your trumpet.
Okay, so this first person, Army General where you say Naim conducts the first Roman invasion of Britain, and he extends territory to Rome. He creates the modern day calendar and the month of July. Naim the name after him.
Romanus now. Rome, Britain. Romanus was a Catholic bishop in Britain.
I don't talk to bishop for instance.
Why you going to ask me?
But you say you're in Britain now.
Abroad question.
What you know, Amabi, you know.
You get 4 chances. Wait now. You get for Abby.
But she don't talk like that. She don't talk like that.
How many chances you get?
I said that's not 3 questions.
Okay, 3.
Okay, don't fail one.
No, I never fail one.
No. Ushbebe.
But then I had the 3rd one.
Which 3rd one? We never do 2nd one. Why they say?
We never do the first one because she try them out first.
How about not trying this? I don't give you first one.
I'm not gonna friend you again. I just tell me.
I thought you made friend me before. I'm married.
Now you marry me.
Okay, second question. First Premier of Western Nigeria and former Federal Commissioner for Finance, now great leader of the Yoruba people and Nigeria's first opposition leader. Who him be?
Now because now we start that era.
Okay, now
me and over.
Your second question.
Okay.
Last one. Okay. The first Premier of Northern Nigeria and leader for the region during the First Republic.
You bold fella.
You just bold fella.
I'm not tossing a Shehu Shagari.
Because they do a journalist.
What's the final answer?
No.
Okay, what's the final answer?
What's the final answer?
Tafa Balewa.
The final answer.
Yes.
You still bold fella.
No, I think Tafa Balewa now would they do my show before.
The person they talk about them born for 1910, reached 1966, and no other person but Ahmadu Bello.
Bello University now. Let me ask you.
For your mind.
Now you suppose now be cardinal.
Maybe you don't get wonderful, but Queen B, we get body kajad.
Yes, so we get body kajad. You know, Ushbebe, they deal with so many people. We don't go events, plenty, don't do every. But we won't bring this one because nobody can. I know, so I know everything. And I know, say, Ushbebe too know some. We talk about bra today.
They talk about everything.
Bra.
What's in be bra?
Brazier.
The woman down my office, they said.
We get video for us.
Yes, we get video for corsets. Why I bring this one actually be say, we notice say some people, they wear the wrong bra and it cause pains to some people.
And it cause traffic too.
Yes, Mo could just see the video. Yes. Well, Mo see the pictures.
Okay.
This is not European.
All right. When you see this one they call them full cup bra.
Okay.
Wow.
And you see this one, because she know wear the right size of bra, she actually gets sore for her shoulder. When you go notice this in once in a while, because if you don't know your real size, actually, you go buy the wrong size. So if you got to see the right size to wear bra,
I really
it
don't
must
like
dead down, then see the other one.
Yes,
and you go notice some young girls, their bra they come outside for their collar, which they wrong.
For their collar.
Yes, now they come out for up, and now you see them. This one, everything's supposed to pack well. And I don't say today na Friday, no cause commotion, because people they drive go house and people like us we were already married. See what in bra do somebody for shoulder. You actually get sore because you make and they tighten. You need to get waiting actually be your real size. See this one. You go just the back the pain you. We see this picture now.
Squeeze her back.
See as he squeeze her back. This one is small. No matter how you like bra reach, say it fine.
Now shoulder.
For shoulder. It don't give you like permanent mark. You go see some girls when they pull cloth, maybe they tie wrapper for chest. You go see the mark.
We're going to need to check.
The shoulder go down there. You see this one. Back go they pain you. All right, now what you carry for body kaja? We wait till you get to talk about bra.
Yeah, I just like what you actually bring home, because this one they actually affect some women, because you see some women who go to say my back they pain.
They pain me.
So they're going to need to drag. Women go to walk out for road, they drag and
I
come
hate
down.
that one when they are just for road.
They pain them. So now you don't understand. Say the best way for you to wear bra now for it to come to this particular length for your back. And also make it not too tight.
Yes. And then you go buy the right cup. I go advise, if you want buy cup, go with people where they actually sell bra. No buy the, Nigeria now they sell Okrika. Some people don't understand. Well. Yes, you need to go where they go measure you first. Yes. Get the cup size. Make it be. Ushbebe does they leave me? They not here. Get the actual size.
I won't work for that.
So Ushbebe will not get time again. Will not get time again. Which time is your show on Sunday?
On Sunday
from 4 p.m. from Mission Center.
From Mission Center.
So are you giving our people free tickets?
Which people will that?
People where they watch us.
Watch us. Our viewers.
No, they will come the show now.
Okay.
May the dog call you.
All right, thanks a bunch. You say you're inside our studio, but time not today our side.
We're really happy say you come.
Oh yes, thanks a bunch. What's your name? Ushbebe.
Okay, you don't know your name again, your fiance.
I don't understand. You're engaged.
All right, when they come out, my name is Remain Uvi Ehigamuse. Make una enjoy una Friday and your weekend.
My name is Remain Betiana Unwili. Catch me if you can. Will they go? Where will they go again?
Everywhere.
Okay.
My name na Queen B.
Are you the near this side?
Ushbebe, before we come up, we'd always tell them, say, to talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about. So tell them for us, I beg.
All right, so talk not be bad thing, so make, what is it?
Yeah, so talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
To talk not be bad thing, but make you know what thing you really talk about.
Talk about.
You bite your tongue.